here with my buddy Thomas playing Don't Starve Together. And so far we have not starved, but I died a lot.
Ow! I have to catch the boomerang?
Well, what, did it hurt you?
Yeah.
Well, I'm sorry.
Ow! Oh my gosh! It's like really hurting.
We have flowers. Okay, so this time I'm gonna pick these flowers, I'm gonna come back home, and we're gonna go catch some butterflies and bees.
Oh my gosh! I need to figure out how to catch this boomerang. Because it smacked me in the face 3 times now.
Maybe you just weren't meant to have a boomerang. Well, that's just wood. I don't want wood.
I just killed myself with a boomerang. Oh my gosh.
I became a spooky ghost.
What is this? Oh my gosh, what is this?
I don't know.
Meat bulb?
Oh,
it's
yeah.
oh my gosh.
It's that thing that we killed. Well, you killed. I didn't kill it. It wasn't me.
But it's the, you know those little bulbs?
Uh-huh.
It planted a bunch of eyes.
Yeah, I know. That's why I told, that's why we tried
Can
to
you
kill
collect
them.
those eyes and do things with them?
I don't know. They'll attack you, though.
Oh, I don't want to touch the eyes.
I don't want to touch the eyes. That's a good idea.
Note to self, boomerangs suck.
Yeah. Yep. Learn something new every day.
Right? Yeah. Oopsies.
I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy anymore.
Oh, jeez. They hurt really bad, the eye plants. They do.
Are you crazy? 'Cause I'm seeing like little ghost things, but it's like you're seeing them and not me.
Well, I made... Really?
My
I don't
character
think so.
is...
I'm not crazy enough for
Huh.
that.
Well, I just got hit by a beefalo. I have 4 health. I'm done with this. I'm not dying anymore. No more risky behavior. I'm just coming straight up to you.
Okay.
And we're going to make...
We're going to survive.
We're gonna... Oh, jeez. Those eye things are huge.
I know, right?
I remember them being smaller than that. Jeez. Oh. I can go up into the sky. Well, that's cool.
No! Get away!
I'm gonna be...
Oh gosh!
What?
There's turkeys everywhere. They're eating all our berries.
No!
Fuck off. No, stop! Get it! Oh. Stop it! It's my berries. I worked hard on these berries. Oh my gosh!
I died for poop 3 times.
There's 3 turkeys! Get out of here! 4 turkeys! Get out! 5 turkeys! What just happened? Oh, it's your fault. You know why?
How? Why?
Because your guy celebrates Thanksgiving early. I blame him.
Because he's Canadian.
Ow!
No! No!
We're about to mess this turkey up.
No, Rain. No. Rain, go away. Oh, copyright me a different day.
Technically, you changed the words, so that's not copyright. The fuck out of here, you dumb turkey.
My axe is talking to me from far away. It's like, You gonna hang out?
No!
No.
I'm trying to kill the
Okay, well,
turkey.
Just stay here then.
Can I kill the turkey? Yes! Die, motherfucker. Oh, you're just gonna be a little bitch. You're gonna hide in the tentacle pool.
Wanna be killed by the tentacle pool too? Oh, do I get shelter? It is! These big trees, when you hide in a big tree, you do take less water. But,
Oh, really?
yeah, but I need food. I need food. Real food.
There's berries.
In
I can
the
mix-
chest or something?
No.
No.
I'm gonna cook some meat for you.
Oh, cool.
But I have 17 berries.
Ooh, yummy.
So I'm gonna just start mass producing berry jam.
Let me
I'll
put
cook you
carrots
some
in.
meat for now.
What did I? Oh, I just ate the log. I'm like, what did I eat?
What's that noise?
That's my axe talking to me.
Oh,
I'm like,
okay. Why are you dropping meat on the ground?
because it's
Aren't
spoiled.
you starving to death?
No,
Oh,
it's
okay.
spoiled.
If you cook it, it'll be less spoiled.
No, it's like really spoiled. It's red spoiled. Whoa.
Holy shit, what happened?
Oh!
What happened?
You short circuited.
Oh my gosh. These spiders are killing all the eyeballs.
Oh, good.
But there's like 100 spiders.
Oh, you have lots of good stuff on you.
Taking all my stuff?
Well, yeah. It's right next to the fire. I don't want it to catch on fire.
Good call.
Is
Actually,
what I'm
that
going
is a
to
good call.
tell you.
I had moon rocks. I don't know what they do, but they're cool.
Yeah, cool. Actually, I'm gonna drop these. Because then you can just pick them up. And then, oh no.
What time is it? It's almost 4 o'clock.
Is it for real?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I think after this
Yeah, I think
episode,
we're
I'm
done.
probably gonna head off.
Like, no way! I keep trying to hit tab. It's not helping me.
I can't believe I short-circuited.
I didn't know that was a thing that you could do.
So I think a downfall to it being endless is that you lose like your max health, and if you lose it all, you probably can't respawn again.
Maybe. I mean, but my last like 2 or 3, I've respawned at 38, so
Okay,
I
I think that's where I'm at now.
I think
33.
eventually.
Why am my health going down again?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't like being the robot.
Yeah, that sucks. Did I pick up your berry?
No more random characters.
No more random
I'm
berry.
picking my character next time. And I'm not picking the lumberjack or the robot.
We're learning.
Yeah. I think we should just go for the original again. You could be Willow. And I'll be Winston?
Wilson.
Wilson.
Wilson. Stop. Go away. Well,
Of
carve it.
course, there's a lot of flowers over here. Oh gosh, the bees don't like me taking their flowers.
You're being such bees.
They're being bees.
I know it's not funny, but I just...
It is funny.
Yeah, can't help myself.
Oh gosh, I'm like short circuiting hardcore. I really think, like, as many times as we restarted, I really think because I'm the robot and you're the lumberjack, like the two worst characters, we're gonna have to restart. So we should go out with a bang and explore the cave next episode.
Alright, we can do that.
And then just YOLO it through the cave till we die. And then when we die, we call it a quits on this run through.
Try.
And then try again.
Oh my god.
And I fear we're gonna have to make it easier. Cause we suck.
I don't know how we're so bad at this. We're really bad at it.
We're so not good at it. We're getting our asses handed to us by a video game. I feel like I'm playing Dark Souls. But like with less animation.
Oh man, that's funny.
Hey!
Hi!
Oh, straw hat. Yes!
I didn't take your hat. Although I think that was my straw hat.
I took your straw hat and your butterfly net. Like, I like how this body's just like, why you did this to me.
What
It's just
I
why.
do? What?
Well, I'm giving it about 14 seconds. 12. 11.
What? Well, come hide under a tree.
That's a good idea. I need a big tree. Wait, how did you do that? Oh, you just do that. 10 health?
I wonder if I'm too close to you and you short circuit, if I'm gonna die too.
9 health. This is it.
This is...
I have flower petals. Yeah! Yes! Ah! 25 health. Yeah. Now we just hope the rain doesn't kill me and don't use boomerangs. Boomerangs are bad. Real bad.
Real bad. I'm just going crazy again.
There's so many birds.
I freaking hate the rain. I hate the rain so
The
much.
rain sucks. On this next playthrough, I feel we're gonna just have to fucking turn the rain off. It does no good. It does only bad. Makes our tools slippery. We keep dropping them. I short circuit
It's just,
all the time.
it's like this. Well, you're not gonna be the robot.
No. I might try the game maker.
Stanley?
Yeah.
Oh, now it's dark. Oh, okay.
Yanley Stillnance. Oh, that's mine. That's mine. Oh, there are many logs.
That's because I have them. Do you want me to give you your stuff back?
No. I think you can if you want to, though. Because
So,
I'm about to die again anyway. Oh, wait, what if we go in the cave? Let's go to the cave. No, not yet. Because it's about to get dark. Where's the cave at? The cave
Well,
is
and it's
up
dark
there.
in the cave all the time, so we have to have like torches and things.
Oh.
Yeah, it's never not dark.
What is this world? When it gets dark, weird creatures just come out? This is really not helping my whole bedtime story thing. It's like, no, there's not any monsters in the dark. Have you ever played Don't Starve? No. You're lying to me. I've played Don't Starve once or twice. You can't fool me. You took my golden axe when you have a god axe.
I just picked up all of your stuff. I didn't.
You greedy lumberjack. Just so greedy. You can't even keep your hands off my axe. When you have your own.
I'm sorry. Don't pick that up. It's just rot.
Okay.
Okay.
That's how greedy I am. Pick up your items.
It's
I'm gonna go
rot.
over here for a second.
Oh, I have some seeds. Did you
Don't
plant
follow me.
anything in? I'm not. Jeez. This isn't all about you, dude.
I have some seeds.
I planted some seeds. Ooh, I have 14 poop. Oh no, it's going.
Fire, fire, fire. Oh, jeez! Get out of here!
Who's crazy? Oh, I am. It's me.
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Here's the guy.
Did
Yeah,
you see Charlie?
I don't see your hands, no.
She just put the fire out when you lit it.
Oh.
She was the fire actually only went out because she lit it. Can it stop raining, please?
Hey, we're only on day whatever, brain.
I'm at 7 health.
My brain's just dropping.
Should we end this episode with a yellow in the cave while I'm at 6 health?
Sure. I have
need
a torch,
a torch
with
though.
47%.
Alright, let's do this.
Okay, I'm coming.
We need to go quick, because I need to be out of the rain because I have 5 health. Oh! Whoopsies. It's just gonna be raining in the cave. Oh no, 4 health.
Faster!
Torch on in 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah. In the cave!
Oh gosh.
It's gonna be flooded.
Oh, it's thinking about it.
That would only make sense. Oh, it's raining in the cave.
Is it?
It's fucking raining in the cave.
What is the point of that? Wait. Is it not dark in here? It's not dark in here.
Well, it's not?
No.
Well, because there's all the bubbles.
But it's
But
raining.
it's raining, so I'm about to die.
I don't...
Farewell. I'm a ghost. I'm gonna go explore the cave.
Oh, okay. I'll come with you.
Oh, it's dark over here.
Oh.
Torch.
I don't have a torch. I
You
ran out. Yeah.
There should be stuff on my body to make a torch. Just light your garden lantern on fire, and then you don't even have to hold it.
What? Light my what on
I
fire?
said light your garland on fire, and you won't even have to hold it. It'll hold. Your head will hold it for you.
No, you're
We're on
so
day 17
clever.
already. I just realized that.
Already? Because we did such a good job. Okay.
We did. We've lasted the longest.
Yeah, I think our record.
Oh,
Well,
there's nowhere to go. It's just a dark corner. It's just a dark corner. Only the darkest corners of your mind can control the way you are. So I'm just gonna explore the cave with you as a dead body.
Okay, sounds good.
You may go insane, but that is okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I get it. The little blooms, they go out, and it gets dark on you. Oh gosh, come over here.
I wonder if I can make another one. No, I cannot. Wow.
I guess just YOLO.
Yep. Okay, here we go.
This way.
This way? Okay, I'm coming. Oh god.
There's creatures in the dark.
Yeah. Are we just gonna go off into the cave in the dark?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh god. Here she is.
Come over here by the light mushroom.
Oh. Well, that's cool.
Just go from light mushroom to light mushroom. I'm gonna find another one.
Oh, is that your body right there?
Where?
This one. Oh, yes, it is.
Oh! This is where I died. This
Yep.
cave isn't very big.
I have genuinely lost my mind.
Thing's coming for you.
I know.
See him. Oh, oh.
Oh, there it is. Okay. So we'll try again.
As good as outro as any. Just bearded over, just beard face over there. Haircut. And
Oh,
Casper the friendly. Why is it so light in here now?
I don't know. Oh, because the light bulbs are waking up.
Oh yeah, it was probably nighttime and they probably go to sleep at night. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, maybe.
I like that.
Oh, well, we're dead, so
Ah.
we'll see you all later. Bye.
Farewell.